guys, my name is Simitopo. Welcome to my channel. Feel free to subscribe. Video. To do any AI segmentation project, it is very important that you label your data sets. There are different types of labeling. So we have label LMG, we have Microsoft VOTT, we have label box, we have VGG image annotation tool, and we have Supervisely. In this video, I'll be discussing how you can use Supervisely to label computer vision data sets. If you are a new user, you need to sign up. I just log in. It looks like this is at the interface. This is where you deploy your project, you import projects or images that you want to annotate or label. You can add members maybe to add tasks and say, okay, you're doing this. You can also label at scale and issue out jobs to people. If you have any issue that you think that it has not been solved, you can add new issue here and talk about it. You can have plugins. Plugins means that okay, maybe you want to use DTL, you can say that okay, add it up. This one is already added. Like I just added one on link, adding links to images, so you can add that, come in and add it. But we just focus our attention on projects, this project. So I'm not importing links, neither am I importing video, because you can also label videos, but I'm just importing an image. I just pick it up and drop it, and I label. Let's name it Temitope, my name. So you click import. It's importing it, so you can come here and archive the task. So once it's done, it's going to show you that it has been imported. So I come here, start annotation. Another word for labeling is annotation, so in case we see it, we shouldn't get it confused. It still means the same thing. So we come here, okay, this image here, this Arduino pack. So I come here and save it as Arduino. Okay, let me use hotkey. Is more like a shortcut. Instead of you typing this, you just press A. It automatically activates this particular polygon color. You see how it works. Okay, you come here, we can choose the color we want. Let's still use steel blue. No, let's do something different so it won't merge with the color we have there. Let's use blue. You can choose different shades and you can see the hex code of it. I think this color will do fine. Yeah, then that's all. Then you start clicking it. It's still working on it. It's still working on it. Make sure it's properly done. Oh, if you know you've missed it, you can just press Ctrl Z, undo. Then you just come here, automatically says. If you come here, you can change the opacity of the color. If you want it deep, can you see? If you want it light, you can change it. The border size, if you want it to be thick, you can also regulate it here. Brightness, you can change it. Contrast, same. But I don't think I need the border size, so I'll just put it as 0. So that's what you can do with this. But once you label it, it comes under this object category. So now we can pick another one. Let's choose another class. Let's call the USB plug. Let's leave it at USB. This color is not so bad. So you can come here. If you worked with Arduino, you should know that this is a USB for Arduino. This is where the USB is. So you just come here, and that's it. You can also change the opacity of it if you want it deep. So anything you do, because everything is under this section, it regulates it. So Okay, just leave it that way. Okay, maybe now you want to now label. You come back here to activate your annotation button. So okay, let's call this the plug, I think. Sorry, I don't know, I just want to put plug there, so you can call it anything. Let's choose color yellow so it will pop yellow. So let me go another direction. Automatically, once you label any part, it saves it. We have like 3 objects underneath it. 1, 2, 3 for the plug, USB, and the Arduino itself. We have under this image. This is where the images are. If you upload like 1000 images, it's going to reflect here 1000. So you can go back to the home page and see it's saved here. So if you open it again, you don't need to go far. Your work is saved. Thank you. Anyone in the field of technology knows how important it is to collaborate. One of our major tools is GitHub. But in this video, I won't be talking about GitHub or any of those things. I'll be talking about how to collaborate on Supervisely platform. If this is your first time here, feel free to subscribe, like, and watch the video to the end. Not wasting much of our time, let's move to the workspace to discuss what we'll be talking about today. I have a video that covers how to sign up, how to view your data that has been labeled, and also how to label your data. I'll put the link in the description. Once you sign in, you'll be taken to this page. For this particular page, Temitope is the admin. I have 2 members. So Temitope and I have Tech. Tech was added 3 days ago, and Tech is mentioned or is called annotator. Tech can also be admin, and Tech can also be developer. You can switch the role. Tech can be the manager. Tech can also be a reviewer. But for this task, Tech is the annotator. So let's go back to the page on how to add members. For Tech, the username is Tech. Just type Tech. And the role, you can choose it here. Maybe annotator. Then you add to the team. But I already have Tech. I'll just cancel. Tech has been added. So that's how you add your team. You invite them. And once you invite them, they'll also get a notification in their email. Right now I have 2 members, so I will show us how we can collaborate and how everything can be done. We import our data. I drop it here. I'm uploading 2 images for the sake of our video. I don't want it to be too lengthy. The whole idea is to get the knowledge. Let's call it Tech. Okay, start imports. So it's putting the images. Here you go. You have Tech, and Tech has 2 images. Tech has 2 images. So you start assigning jobs. You have to create the classes that you want to see. I'm going to create the class here. Let's say body. The hotkey can be B. Let me choose a bright color. I think I want red. Great. Come here, sir. You pick plug. Okay. This color is fine, blue. Then the next one is USB. Let's call the hotkey U. I think we've chosen the primary color. Go back and click labeling as skill to assign the job to Tech. Then you add new job. Temitope is the reviewer because she's the admin. So we can also assign job to the admin. But I'm assigning to tech. The project is in tech. The name of the project is tech, and the data set is DS. These are the three classes I want tech to label for me, so it has to be selected. Then for this, I have to choose all. There are two images. Click create. The job has been created for me. Now let's head over to tech workspace. There's a notification. It's showing pending. Tech has started working on data allocated. Let's start labeling. Plug the USB. You click confirm. You're submitting your task to Temitope to review. So the job has been done. Of what use is your label dataset if you can't use it for any of your computer vision projects? Today I'll be showing us how to download our dataset that has been properly labeled on Supervisely platform. If you are new in my channel, feel free to subscribe, like this video, and watch other videos in this playlist. I already signed in into this platform, so I'll be going straight to what we'll be doing today, which is this, to download the dataset that has been properly labeled. The dataset I'll be making use of is tech, which has been properly labeled. Let's view it. Yes, it has been labeled. So the next thing I need to do is to come to the project page and come to tech. Click on these three dots and you see like a drop down showing edit, upload image, share as link, clone, show workflow, download as, run this, run Python script, run DTL, run Python notebook, and also move to trash. But we'll be downloading it. So when you come to download as, it's giving us three options. You download as JSON file and also the real image, or you download it as JSON file, or you download as the three JSON file, images, and also the PNG of the mask. The mask means this the labeling interface or the labeling layer that you have given it. So once you click it, it asks you these questions. Most times I leave it this way, so I just run scripts. It's downloading, so it's downloaded. If you click on download, you see that it's downloading as a TAR file. So I click on this, you extract it. The name of the dataset is DS. We come to image. These are the images that we uploaded. We have two images. Annotate. So